Congratulations on beginning your clear aligner journey. Here at Toothman Orthodontics, we take pride in helping you achieve your best result. Here are some important tips to keep your treatment on track. Wear your aligners 20 to 22 hours a day. They only work when they're in your mouth, so consistency is key. Clean your aligners at least once a day with a soft toothbrush and gentle hand soap. Always clean both the inside and outside and rinse them under warm water. Before putting them in, wash your hands thoroughly and handle only one aligner at a time. Each is marked with a U or L and a stage number for easy identification. To insert your aligner, gently push it over your front teeth and then press over your molars until it snaps into place. Chewies can help seat your aligners properly. Use Chewies 2 to 3 times a day for 5 minutes. Proper seating is crucial before switching to a new set. Your doctor may also recommend refinement scans to fine-tune your progress. After eating or drinking anything other than water, always brush or rinse your mouth to prevent decay. If brushing isn't possible, rinse your mouth and aligners with water. You can drink cool water with your aligners in, but always remove them for food and other beverages. Check attachments often. If any are chipped, broken, or loose, contact your doctor immediately to avoid delays. Elastic rubber band wear may be prescribed to help align your bite. As with your aligners, consistent use is essential. When switching to a new set of aligners, we recommend doing it in the evening. This allows you to get used to the new aligner while you sleep. Minor discomfort is normal and usually subsides within days. Ask your doctor if an over-the-counter pain reliever is right for you. Always store your aligners in their case to avoid loss or damage. Pets are attracted to the smell of your saliva and may try to chew on your aligners. Always store them in their case and keep them out of reach. Also, avoid leaving your aligners in heat. They're made of plastic and can warp or melt. Lack of cooperation or aligner wear can lead to extra treatment fees or even a switch to braces. With these tips, your orthodontic treatment becomes more straightforward, predictable, and successful. Our doctors and team of tooth fairies are here to help you throughout your clear aligner journey. Please reach out with any questions or concerns. Welcome to Toothman Orthodontics and congratulations on your confident new smile.